Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes. Today we are going to start with our next topic, which is representation of a set. Now how set will be represented? There are basically two forms for the representation of a set. Our first form is roster form or tabular form. What is our first form? It is roster form or tabular form, and our second form is set builder form or rule method. Today first of all we will do roster form or tabular form. Now question arises, what is the roster form and what is tabular form? Roster form. In this form, we list all the element of the set, separating them by commas and enclosing them in brackets. What we used to do in this form, we list all the element of the set. So here basically we have to do two works. Our first work is here. Suppose there is a set and in that particular set 5 elements are supposed to come. So first of all we will write all the 5 elements into the curly brackets, and our second work is we will separate each and every element by inserting the commas. So in roster form or tabular form we used to do these two things. Now we will do some examples for understanding in a clear manner roster form. Our first example is set of the vowels of English alphabet. We know in English alphabet 5 vowels are there, which are A, E, I, O, U. So these 5 vowels we have to write in the curly brackets, and between these 5 elements we have to insert comma sign, because according to the roster form we have to do two works. Basically our first work is to write the elements into curly brackets, and our second work is to separate the elements by inserting commas. So we have done these two works and our roster form is ready. Fine. Now our second example is set of the even natural numbers. As we know, natural numbers start from 1. But they are asking even natural numbers. It means we have to take those numbers which are divisible by 2. So what we will take here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. So what we will do? We will write all these elements into the curly brackets, and we will separate each and every element by putting commas between them. Now see, I have put the sign here dash dash dash. Why it is so? Because we know even natural numbers are infinite and it is impossible for us to write each and every number. So we will do starting and we will write 3 or the 4 element, and after that we will stop and we will put dash dash dash. Fine. Our next example is set of the squares of integers. First of all, students, you should know what are the integers. Integers are all positive and negative numbers including 0. Like I have written here, like -4, -3, -2, -1, etc. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But what we have to do in this set, we have to do squares of the integers. So I will do here square of the integers, like 0 square is 0. 1 square is also 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. In the same manner, if I will do the square of these negative terms, then this will not make any effect, because minus 1 square is only 1, minus 2 square is also 4, minus 3 square is 9. It means again the same elements will come which we have got from the square of positive numbers. So in roster form, we never do repetition. The element which we have written once, we will not repeat that. Fine. So what I have done, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, and again the sign of dash, 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 because there are infinite integers and it is impossible to write square of each and every integer. Fine. So we will write some elements and we will make separate them by inserting the commas, and we will put them into the curly brackets. Fine. After that, our next example is set of the all letters in the word algebra. In this word algebra, how many letters are there? In this word, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 letters are there. What we have to do here? We have to write it into the roster form. So what we will do? We will write all these elements into the roster form. It means for writing into the roster form, we will put these elements into the curly brackets and we will insert the sign of comma between them. As I have done here, I have written all these 7 elements here. But after that, observe here what I have done. I have removed this A. Why I have removed this A? Because it was repeating. A was coming here also and A was coming here also. Now only I have told you, in roster form we will never do repetition. So it will be only A, L, G, E, B, comma, R. We will not write again this A. Fine. So never ever we used to do repetition in the roster form. So this is our roster form. So basically it is clear from here. In roster form we used to do 2 works. Our first work is to write all the elements into curly brackets, and second, to separate those elements by inserting the commas. That is it in the roster form. As I have told you, for representation of the set, there are 2 forms. We have discussed roster form and the tabular form. Now we will discuss set builder form or rule method. We can also say it is property method, but there are the 2 names for this form. First one is the set builder form or rule method. What we used to do here we don't list all the element of the set. Like in the roster form, what we used to do, we used to write all the elements in curly brackets. But here we will not write all the elements. What we will do here, we will write set. We write the set by some special property or the properties satisfied by all the elements. So what we will do here, instead of writing all the elements here in the curly brackets, we will only write the property which will be satisfied by all the elements. So from that property only it will be clear that which elements are supposed to come here. Fine. Now what is the way to write it? Like I have taken a set A. I have told you earlier that for denoting the sets we use capital letters. So in the same manner I have taken capital letter A. A capital letter will be equal to curly brackets X. Here X signifies elements. Here X signifies elements. The elements which are supposed to come in this elements which are supposed to come in it. So X means elements, those elements which are supposed to come here. So X stands for the elements, and this sign is representing a word which is such that. So X such that this px means property, the property which will be holded by elements. So how we will read it? X such that the property. It means what we will do, we will write x. X means elements which are going to come here, such that property which will be satisfied by all the elements. We will understand it with the help of examples now. Our first example for the set builder form is set of even natural numbers. Set of even natural numbers. So how we will write it into the set builder form? Now this is our question. So I know in set builder form we people have to write the properties which will be followed by all elements there. So how I will start it? First of all, I will put the curly bracket sign, after that x which represents elements, after that this sign which means such that. So x such that x is a natural even number. So what I have done here, I have represented the properties of the all elements which are supposed to come here. So this is our set builder form. What we have done here, we have represented the property which will come here. After that, there is another form also. We can give answer of this question in this form also, which says curly bracket open x such that x is equal to twice of n. Why I have written here twice of n? Because it says that number will be the multiple of 2, and we know even natural numbers will be divisible by 2. So, but I have written one more thing here. N, small n belongs to capital N. As we know, capital N means set of the natural numbers. So I have written this small n belongs to capital N. Why I have written here only n? Why not w? Because if w will come here, it means it is the set of whole numbers. If it is a set of whole numbers, then definitely 0 will come over there. So 2 into 0 will become 0. But we do not want 0 here, because here we have to write even natural numbers. So I have written here n. So first element in the natural number will be 1. That means 2 into 1, what will come here? 2. Next element like 2. 2 into 2, 4. It means all those elements which we want here will automatically come, and anyone can understand with the help of this property that which elements are supposed to come here. Fine. Then these two answers of this particular question are correct. Our B part, second example, see. Here all these elements are written in the roster form. Here all these 4 elements are written in the roster form. So first of all we have to observe here which property they are satisfying. So I am watching here these elements are the multiples of 5. First of all, I have observed that these elements are multiple of 5, and second thing that this is ending at 20 only. It means 5 into 4, 20. So it means I have to go to the 5 fours. Okay, so how I will write it now? In the curly brackets x such that x is equal to 5n. Now I will define n because n is restricted at only 4. So I will define n is less than equal to 4. Why I have put the sign of less than equal to? Because it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, and it can also be 4. With that, I have also written here n belongs to capital N. It means again this n is belonging to the set of natural number, because if I will write it till here and I will end it, then it means n is less than equal to 4, and in less than equal to 4, 1, 2, 3 with that negative terms up will also come there. But here no element is negative. So I will specify here that small n belongs to capital N. This is our set builder form for this example. Our third example is in the roster form again 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So what I have to do here, first of all I have to observe that which property they are satisfying. I am watching here that all these are prime numbers. Fine. So what I will write the same thing into property x such that x is a prime number, and I have written this also, x is less than 13, because you can observe the prime numbers are only till 11. So I have written x is less than 30, or you can also write it x is less than equal to 11. Fine. So both the answers will be correct. So these three examples, I hope you people will be able to understand set builder form properly. So this was our concept, and our new concept will be started in our next class. Till then you people have to cover this concept. Bye bye students. Stay safe and stay at your home.